Thank you, Manay. Bago natin pagpatuloy yung question and answer portion, meron din kasing web counterpart ng Immortal. Meron silang website ng immortal.abs-cbn.com at meron kaming inihandang special VTR para po sa inyong lahat. Panoorin natin to.
Hello po. Immortal.abs-cbn.com is actually the show's website. We were launched last October. It has multimedia platform and which has exclusive content for the fans of Immortal. Ngayon, we already have 12 million hits to date. So, medyo mataas po yung hits dahil dami po talagang nagpa-follow ng Immortal. At we grow by, I think, 80,000 a day. 80,000 hits a day. Yung exclusive content po, we have our own role-playing game, RPG, which is Pangil, na that highlights Samantha's character. Na pag yung kanyang task to be the one na magkakagat kay Mateo, eventually. But the game kasi parang she has to resist that task, parang ganon. But you have to play it. Anyway, we also launched an art competition last October, where we had like 12,000 entries, almost 12,000 entries. We're gonna raffle off the top 10. We're down to our top 10 right now, and we're gonna raffle them off later to you guys, so you can see kung gaano kagagaling. And if you're kagagaling yung aming mga artists at yung mga sumali, and if you're a fan of fantasy art, well, maganda po talaga yung binigay nila sa atin. And yung kanina po nakita nyo, we have, I think we're the first one to have our own webisode. Yung Immortal po, meron po siya, yung nakita nyo po, magkakaroon po talaga, ay meron po kaming webisodes online. Doon nyo lang po makikita yung content na yon. You can't see it outside, you can see it on TV. So magkakaroon po kami ng special with our main cast, but we already have several episodes which you can watch on the website. Since Immortal is moving on to the next season and the next phase, kami rin po, we're offering a lot of other content, new content, and freebies and activities for the fans who want to get into the site. So yun po, immortal.abs-cbn.com. Visit nyo po Okay.
Thank you, LA. Ang balita po namin, si Angel, si John Lloyd, saka si Rico Blanco will shoot an episode for the website. So, abangan po natin yan. And, meron po kami ipaparaffle mamaya. Meron po kasi nagkaroon ng contest ng Immortal, Likhang Immortal Artwork Contest, kung saan yung mga viewers po, we ask them to create artworks, gaya po nito. At balita po namin, parang mga almost more than 12,000 yung mga nag-submit ng entries. Meron po tayong pamimigay na 10 artwork this afternoon. So, kung sino po yung maswerte makakapag-uwi nito, ayan po, may uwi po yan 10 yan. Bubunot po si Angel at si John Lloyd mamaya.